Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, this is not going to be your typical future tattoos and piercings for the year of 2020. I know every single year I have done one of those videos, and I think for the first time since I started YouTube, I don't have like an actual dedicated list for tattoos and piercings that I want. So the way that I'm going to switch it up for the year of 2020, we're in the roaring 20s, the decade is over, it is time to kind of switch things up a little bit, and this is going to be just a generalized goals that I have for 2020. I feel like videos like these are maybe more relatable to a lot of you, especially for those of you who don't have tattoos and piercings, which I'm pretty sure a great majority of my viewers are modified people, but just in case, I figured I would just do it a little bit differently. I am going to be talking about tattoos and piercings in this video that I want to achieve in 2020, but I do have other goals that I want to accomplish as well. So if you guys would like to know what my goals are for the year of 2020, then let's go ahead and get started. So the very first goal that I have written down here in my little list is to get my Medusa pierced. Now this has been a piercing that I have been talking about getting for years now on my channel. Basically at this point it's almost like stupid when I bring it up because I constantly say I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it, and I never get it. This year, I swear on all that is holy, this is the year that I am going to get my Medusa pierced, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I'm hoping I can get that piercing by the end of April. That is my goal. The reason that it has taken so long is because me and my piercer were working on trying to find a specific piece of jewelry that we wanted for it, and the company that we were trying to go through, they were just like, it was just a nightmare, just a plain fucking nightmare. So we decided, all right, you know what, we're gonna scrap that idea. We're just gonna go with just simple, regular labret jewelry for it. You know, it doesn't necessarily have to be like a fancy piece of opal right at this time. So we are just gonna go with regular jewelry, which I'm totally fine with. Just what we are going to go with, we have decided. So now basically I'm just waiting on her to get back to me with the date. So that's kind of why it took so long, but I am like 110% determined to get this piercing. Like, I'm done talking about it at this point. I just need to get it done. So there will be a ton of videos. There will be a video of me getting it pierced. There will be a video of the first week of healing, the first month, me changing it, blah, blah, blah. You guys know the drill, old school BreeAnn piercing videos. Like, it's gonna be fucking great. I'm excited. So the other goal that I have for the year of 2020, and now this is kind of like a reach, but one of my goals for 2020 is to reach 300,000 subscribers. We are almost at 240 right now as I am filming this video, and my goal is to reach 300,000. Now the reason I say that's a reach, because with the way YouTube is nowadays, it's almost impossible to grow a channel, and if you are growing, it's very, very slow. Like, I remember maybe like a few years ago, my channel was growing, you know, at a really regular rate, at a really good rate, and then once, like, you know, adpocalypse happened and all this drama happened with censorship and, you know, all of that shit, and YouTube hiding people's channels and YouTube not recommending people's videos, that really kind of hurt, not just me, but a lot of YouTubers. So I do say that is a reach. I will be very shocked if we do reach 300,000, but that is definitely a goal of mine, and I can't accomplish that goal on my own. You guys have to keep subscribing, thumbs up my videos, be interactive. You know, the more interactive you are, the more YouTube is going to realize, oh, people actually like this channel, and maybe they'll throw me out in the algorithm and, you know, show me in people's recommended, and, you know, show people the kind of videos that I make on my channel that they might be interested in. So really this goal is only possible with your guys' help. You know, always make sure you thumbs up my videos, subscribe, leave a comment, share them. Anything you gotta do, it really does help me out, but I would love to reach 300K. Right, I got lipstick all over my teeth. Would this really be a BreeAnn video if I didn't have lipstick on my teeth? Next next goal that I have for 2020 is to go to school and finish school. So if you guys have not watched my recent life update video, I did talk about that I am actually going to be going to school at the end of April. I am going to school to become a dog groomer. I got enrolled. Now I just need to go to school and graduate and learn, absorb as much information as I can, and maybe someday make a career out of dog grooming, because I would love that. Who doesn't want to spend all day making puppies pretty? You know what I'm saying? Like, you see this little scruffy dog, you know what, come with me, buddy. Come with me. We'll get you a bath, trim your nails, clean your ears, blow dry ya, give you a little trim, you'll be beautiful. Who doesn't want to do that? You know what I'm saying? So that is a goal for me. Go to school, finish school, graduate, get that diploma, walk into a shop and be like, yo, who needs a haircut? The next goal that I have for 2020, and I'm sure a lot of you were waiting for this one, and that is to get my sleeve finished. I have been working on this fucking arm for years now. Years. I almost still cannot believe that this arm still isn't done. Granted, it is about 85% done. We just have to do the elbow, we have to do like the in-betweens here, and then there's like a couple spots down here that need to be filled in, like this leaf and stuff, but for the most part, it's almost done, right? We just need that one last little like push. And for the longest time, I didn't even think about it because, you know, my dad passed away, then I moved. Once I moved, I didn't even think about it. My artist kept getting booked up, then Jacko got sick. So I finally decided, you know what, we're gonna stop fucking around, and whatever money I save up is the money that I'm going to use to get my arm finished. So I messaged my artist. See, I'm already making a lot of strides and pushes to getting this list completed. So I'm pretty proud of myself, not gonna lie. So I did message my artist and we did pick a date that we are going to finish this arm. I am so excited. I'm excited but like petrified because I purposely have been avoiding the elbow all this time because I know it's gonna hurt, and I'm so scared. I feel like the older I get, my pain tolerance for tattoos is just getting like less and less. Like when I was 18, I could go and get a tattoo every other fucking week, and I was like, woo, rock on, let's go get drunk now. But now I'm like, no, like, let's do like one line and then maybe we can like reschedule in a month. Hopefully by the end of summer, my arm will be done, and I still plan on making a whole video talking about my sleeve, like how much it costs, like what I got done first, what spots hurt the most. So I do plan on doing a full dedicated all about my sleeve tattoo video. The next goal that I have for 2020, and I think out of all the goals that I have in this list, is this one is probably going to be the one that I fail on the most, but that is to read a book. I have never been someone who has been a very big on reading. I mean, I have read a book before, but it had to have been something like super interesting. Like Marilyn Manson's book, I read that at least 10 times all the way through. It just takes a certain kind of genre and a certain kind of book to really interest me to read it. But I have this new goal where every night I want to at least read 1 to 2 chapters a night of a book. Right now I have a book that I recently got in a creepy crate that looks pretty interesting, and my goal for 2020 is to just read a goddamn book. Like, I don't care how long it takes me. If I start a book now and I end the book December 31st, 2020 at 11:59, still accomplished it. I just want to be able to say I read a book in the year of 2020. So I have 2 more goals that I want to accomplish in the year of 2020. The next one I'm not going to dwell on very much, and that is to stay a non-smoker. I recently quit smoking. Again, this is like my 10th time quitting, but this time I feel like I was really successful with it because I went to my doctor. I said, yo, I tried the gum, I tried the therapy, nothing fucking works. Like I was just one of those people that liked the habit of smoking so much, I didn't think there was any hope for me. She put me on the medication Chantix, and that honestly, honest to God, helped me quit the most. I was about a pack a day, sometimes more than a pack a day smoker, and as soon as I started Chantix, like my desire for it, the habit for it, the want for it, diminished very, very quickly. I'm very proud to say that I do still consider myself a non-smoker. Now, on the medication Chantix, it helps you quit gradually. So it wasn't like, you know, I took one pill and I quit. Like, I quit smoking cigarettes. That's not the case. It took maybe a couple weeks for me to not smoke anymore. I do on occasion will find myself taking a puff of someone's and it tastes like absolute shit dick. So I do think that I can maintain the goal of not being a smoker in the year of 2020 because, you know, I'm just at a point in my life now where like, quit fucking around with your health. Like, I eventually want to have kids someday. I want to live. You know, that would be pretty fucking rad. Like, I don't miss a lot of it. Like, leaving my house early for work just so I had enough time to smoke a cigarette before work, or, you know, allowing myself enough time to smoke a cigarette before I go anywhere. Like, I don't miss doing that. I don't miss scheduling my life around a little cigarette. You know what I'm saying? So that's another thing too, is Chantix didn't do all the work. I did a lot of the work too, because you still have to have a lot of willpower. I probably said I wasn't going to dwell on smoking for that long, and I think I spent like 5 minutes talking about it. Cool. Right, and then the very last goal that I have for the year of 2020 is another body modification one, and that is my ears. You guys know, kind of early this year, I started stretching my ears. Currently, they are at an 8 gauge. My goal for 2020 is to reach a 0 or a 00 by fall. That's my goal. Now, I'm not going to put too much emphasis on fall time. I do hope to reach it by the end of the year, at least. Really, only time will tell, and that really kind of all depends on my ears and how they're doing. Hopefully, my ears will allow me to get that big, but you never know. And maybe add like another cartilage piercing over here, which, you know, I'm not like thinking about it because cartilage piercings are literally hell on earth. So right now, as far as my ears go, just get these puppies up to 0 or 00. Alright guys, and that is everything that I have for my goals for the year of 2020 video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different than what I usually do here on my channel, but I just thought I would give it a try. You guys can let me know down in the comments if you liked it, if you didn't like it, what your favorite food is, what your favorite color is. I don't care. Down in the comments, let me know what you thought, or just let me know what's on your mind. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, I just want to welcome you. Make sure you go down and subscribe so we can get closer and closer to 300K. I do upload every 3 to 4 days on this channel, so you don't want to miss out on any future videos. But that is everything that I have. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!